have a good time doing what we all love to do, and that's a lot of rat rod shit.
Where'd he go?
Where?
Did he grab the shirt?
Oh, you did start. I wasn't sure.
Oh, there he is. Well, buddy.
I can't see. Can't see.
You don't need to see it.
I think we got it. We got a couple cones. That's probably fine. I think that was required.
This is the first year for this show. It takes big brass balls to take on something like this and organize it and put it together. Travis and Hesper, fantastic freaking job. You went up against some pretty big shows going on this weekend and you drew in a heck of a crowd.
Nobody's stopping you but you. What can I say? This is the end of day number 2 for us because we were here yesterday, obviously. I probably don't need to say all that. I tried to film as much as I could, but it gets busy at these shows sometimes. How badass was that, seeing all these rat rods out there doing their thing in the mud and the dirt, not worrying about scratching their paint? Heck yeah, just giving her. Travis and Hesper put a hell of a lot of effort into this show. For a first time show, away from the metro area, because if you're not familiar with where Racine, Minnesota is, it's a good maybe hour plus or more away from the city. So you got to really pull some people down here to come to these shows on these outskirts. And I think they had just over 82 cars registered. 82 cars for a first time show. That's impressive in my book. I don't care who you are. Rusty Metal MAyhem, if they do this next year, and fingers crossed they do, y'all gonna want to be here, because you know they just get bigger and better. At least I can say I was here for show number 1, just like Ratstock. Hell yeah. This was an absolutely phenomenal day. Loved every second of it. I gotta give a shout out to my boy Oakley. We were trying to do a video together, but every time we got linked up to do it, something else came up and we kept getting pulled away from each other. So we'll have to check him out sometime in another show maybe. But he does tank talks on YouTube. You guys should go check him out, see if you like what he's got to say. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment. What'd you think of the show? Are you regretting not being there if you were thinking about going? Because you should be.